Hello and welcome to another episode of Schmoop's Adventures. In this episode, we take our Mercedes C350 to the exhaust shop to get some custom exhaust work done, including an X-pipe and C63 style rear exhaust tips. Check it out.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and ride on.
Good day, guys. It is cold out. We're not traveling. We're not going anywhere. Well, what we are doing, out of boredom, we're doing some work on the car, on the old Schmoop-mobile. If you remember, a couple weeks ago, I posted a video talking about, a short video, talking about some stuff that I wanted to do to the car. So today we're going to get the Resonator deleted in favor of an X-pipe to try to give her a little bit more sound. We had to change the rear diffuser to make room for the dual quad tailpipe tips that we're going to install. And I've already done a couple little subtle things like the wheel center caps and the emblem on the hood, a new grille. So we're just making some cosmetic changes. Coming up after this, I've still got some carbon fiber spoilers and a front lip to install. So we'll get those mods going too. But today we're just going to do the exhaust. So let's see how that goes. Here we are, guys, at Mandrel Benz Solutions in Glenbury, Maryland, dropping the car off. We're going to come back when they're done with it and do a little comparison of before and after. Here you can see the stock exhaust and the stock resonator that we're going to be ripping out and replacing with an X-pipe. And then on the back here, we're going to replace the stock tips with the AMG quad tips.
3 hours later.
These guys did a great job on this stainless steel X-pipe. It's nice. I can't wait to hear this thing. They lined up these quad AMG tips perfectly. He's all finished, pulling the car out now. So we just left Mandrel Benz Solutions. They did the exhaust tips and the X-pipe, and it's a very subtle difference. I'm happy with it. We're gonna go do some comparison videos now and show you or let you hear the before and after sound of it. C350 stock exhaust, cold start. C350 with the X-pipe and quad exhaust tips. Cold start. C350 stock exhaust drive-by. Okay, this is C350 with the Resonator delete and X pipe and the quad exhaust tips drive-by. Well guys, there you have it, the before and after of the C350 W204, the 3.5 liter V6 Resonator delete with an X pipe. Pretty common mod on these cars. So there's tons of videos on YouTube. You can watch all the videos you want, and it's kind of hard to get an appreciation for the difference that it makes in the videos. Some people say it doesn't make much of a difference at all. I'll tell you my personal opinion, it was perfect. The perfect subtle difference. It woke the car up audibly just enough that it sounds like something, but not enough that it's obnoxious. You know, it's still a Mercedes. It's still perfectly quiet. It's running right now at idle. Can't hear it. It's fine. It's acceptable, but it adds just enough rasp, just enough noise that it sounds a little exciting. So spent like $100 on the rear diffuser, $100 on the tips, paid the guy $350 to install everything. Well, I installed the diffuser, but he installed the tips and the X pipe. It was a custom made X pipe. You can go cheaper and get like the one from Magnafloat. It's already made. It's like stamped steel, and have that welded in at any muffler shop. You know, you pay $100 for the X pipe, they'll probably weld it in for $100. If you don't want to spend money on this, I would say just get the tips, do the you know, the look, the C63 look on the back, and save your money on the X pipe. It's a subtle difference. I think it's worth it. I like it. I like the difference. It sounds good. I'm glad I did it. Yeah, so that's what I got to tell you about it. So yeah, we got car content on the channel here. Hopefully we get back into some travel content soon. You know, this last year has been a rough year for travel. So the travel content is coming, and of course, the boating content. All summer boating content. And whatever else we can get into, whatever else the schmoops can adventurize. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. Like this video if you're into the car content. Give me a comment. Let me know what you like, what you want more of, whatever. And yeah, we got to get Jen back in the video. She hasn't been around. She hasn't been. She's been working her butt off. So we'll have her in the next video. All right. Thanks, guys. See you in the next episode. Okay, this is C350 with the Resonator delete and X pipe and the quad exhaust tips drive-by. Hopefully the wind noise doesn't ruin this clip. Well, if it wasn't the wind noise, it was the dump truck.